If you have a PC, here are 3 powerful tools you need to download. The first tool is called Encrypto. And you can get it by going to macpa.com/encrypto. With this tool, you will be able to set password to any file or folder. Just right-click on the folder. Click on Encrypt with Encrypto. Set the password you will like to use. Then click on Encrypt. The second tool is called DNS Changer. And you can get it by searching for DNS Changer on Google. With this tool, you will be able to change the DNS server on your computer without restarting your computer. It has about 10 servers you can choose from, and it will even show you which of them is the fastest. Just choose the one you want and click on Save. The third tool is called Everything. And you can get it by going to voidtools.com. You will be able to search for files and folders easily and faster. After getting it to your PC, just run it as administrator. Then search for any file or folder. And this tool will show it to you right away.